welcome to Angie's channel. Upward. Hi.
We blonde.
Sorry, my mask is out, but I can't breathe.
Hashtag 2020. Hello guys, welcome to this vlog. Today I am on my way to get my COVID shot. I've been in Lagos for a bit now and I did a COVID test yesterday and I got the results today that I'm negative, so that's great because you know how these pandemic bees. I was away, obviously, I was in London and I tried to get it in London but I wasn't eligible. My dad was able to get it though, so in Lagos they're giving it out. Look at that spot, so annoying. Anyway, so today I'm going to get mine. How do I feel? Okay, as I was saying, I'm on my way to get my shots. How do I feel? I'm quite nervous because everyone's always talking about chills and after effects, but hey, what can we do? It is what it is.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
Guys, we freaking did it.
3 days later.
I just wanted to give you an update on my vaccine situation. I got the vaccine on Monday. Today's Wednesday. And as soon as I got it, I was fine. I didn't have any effects really, apart from like a sore arm. But like, I got it on Monday. Yesterday, I was so tired. I don't even know whether it's like fatigue from PMSing or fatigue from the vaccine or fatigue from life, but all I know is I've been tired. Today my arm's a lot less sore. Yeah, I can actually move my arm. Yesterday I couldn't really move my arm. I was so tired I couldn't even vlog. Like, I was so tired. But today I'm a lot better. I'm you know, fine enough to actually drive myself to places. But yesterday, anyway, yeah, just wanted to give you guys a slight update.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is. Oh yeah,
Thank you for watching.
like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe here, somewhere around here. You know what? Somewhere around here. Thumbs up, guys. Like the video. Thumbs up.
Say what's poppin'. She was in the last vlog. We basically like went to dinner in Southness, but now she's going to the beach. Hotter at the moment. It's like, it's so hot. I'm literally in the bathroom. Why is it so hot? I literally had to come and freshen up. Like, I'm wearing Fenty Ease Drop Tinted Moisturizer. I feel like everything has come off my face. Like, bro, it's bloody hot. Anyway, I'm just trying to catch a vibe. Trying not to think about the weather. Just trying to drink, chill by the pool, and I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog of what my life in Lagos is. Hey guys, I haven't vlogged in a while. I'm feeling very cute, feeling quite spicy. Basically, I am at a dinner date with my friend, but she's running late. So I've been sitting down on my own, but it serves me right for all the times I've made my friends wait for me. I'm in this spot called Cilantro, which is like an Indian restaurant. So guys, it's so nice. It just popped up in Lagos. It's so nice. Like, I actually feel like I'm on holiday, but like I feel like I'm in Abuja. Sorry, I just got a text. Anyway, I feel like I'm in Abuja or like in a nice part of Nigeria. It's so nice. I think like Cilantro. So I'm really feeling my lashes. It's from my friend's line called Dips Beauty. Get to know, worldwide shipping available. Anyway, apparently this restaurant has branches in Abuja, but they've only just come to Lagos, and I love Indian food so much. I'm so excited for my friends, and I love the prices. I just had a look at the prices, and it's Friday. Let's just enjoy ourselves. Let's just live life a bit. For the vlog, guys, all of this looks freaking amazing. We got Peshwari naan, butter chicken, and some spicy chicken, and it all looks absolutely delicious. I can't wait to dig in and tell you my final review after. This food was absolutely amazing. Like, I'm so stuffed. There's so much still left over. I can't wait to pack it and take it for lunch, brunch, dinner tomorrow, Sunday. It was just so good, and I'll definitely be back. I just love a good dining experience, you know, like when something actually like delivers and it's actually bomb. And I'm still loving my lashes, by the way. I'm sitting with the creator of the line. Vlogging is so cringe, but as long as someone likes this video, then I know the cringe is worth it. Tell us about Dips Beauty and all things lashes. The floor is yours.
Hello guys, so Dips Beauty is the only lashes that you should be wearing. It's the best lashes out there. It's comfortable, it's affordable, and it's suitable for all eye shapes.
Yeah.
So make sure you get one. Follow us on Instagram at Dips Beauty.
Okay. Oh my god, guys. I haven't been here since I left literally 14 years ago. This is just like nostalgia is just hitting me. Like, this is crazy. If you can't tell, I'm a dramatic person, but I just really feel like, wow, I'm really here. Guys, coming here has been nostalgic. I hate how this looks. coming here has been nostalgic as hell.